Hello viewers, let's learn how to delete Copilot chat history. It's a little tricky and different from deleting the chat history of ChatGPT, etc. So let's first open Copilot and let me click this button to expand the chat history. If there are few, so simply hover over the chat and when three dots appear, click delete conversation and then click delete. So repeat the process if there are few chats. Now in front of you the chat box or the chat history has been deleted. But in case if the chat history is too long and can't be done this way like the moment you see it. So click this sign in front of your name or email, then go to settings and in settings click privacy. Now come down and click delete memory and once again delete memory, but it won't serve the purpose. Let's say at the end your conversation history won't be deleted. So click the icon in front of export or delete history. And when it opens, so you are now on Microsoft 365 page. You can also perform the same action in Microsoft page. So click sign in and now provide your email and password. Click next. Now your password or PIN and click confirm. Now click once again privacy. Now we are on Microsoft account and simply scroll down and click delete all activity history and click clear and once again click close. Now scroll down a little more and click delete all history pertaining to Copilot in Microsoft apps and click clear. Once again click close. And now let's see that our chat history has been deleted or still existing. So let's close Microsoft Copilot or restart PC. Now let me open Copilot. Let me expand the chat and you can see there is no conversation or no chat history. So through this way you can delete all chat history of your Copilot. Thanks for watching.